Hello students, I am Preeti Joshi. Today we will learn NCERT Lesson 7. Time goes on. Ulta Pulta Time. Now students, there is a paragraph about Sumana. Some words are written in pink and a blank is given after the word. The words written in pink are wrong and you have to write the correct word in the blank. You can choose the correct word from the box given on page 96. तो बच्चों यहाँ सुमना का एक पैराग्राफ दिया हुआ है और उसमें कुछ वर्ड्स पिंक में लिखे हुए हैं और उसके बाद एक डैश दिया हुआ है. पिंक में दिए हुए वर्ड्स रॉन्ग है और आपको करेक्ट वर्ड ब्लैंक में लिखना है. कुछ वर्ड्स आपको पेज 96 पर दिए, उसमें से आपको वर्ड्स लेने हैं. नाउ शैल वी फिल अप द ब्लैंक्स. एज द सन सेट्स डैश सुमना वेक्स अप. नाउ सुमना वेक्स अप. जब सन सेट होता है तब थोड़ी ना हम उठते हैं, हम तो जब सनराइज होता है तब उठते हैं. सो सेट्स वर्ड रॉन्ग है तो डैश में आप राइजेस लिखेंगे. आ गया ना समझ में. नाउ व्हाट अ लवली इवनिंग. सो इवनिंग तो रॉन्ग है. व्हाट अ लवली मॉर्निंग. शी वॉशेस हर फेस फास्ट इन 2 hours. 2 hours में हम फेस धोएंगे नहीं, हम 2 minutes में धोएंगे. सो राइट मिनट्स एंड runs out. She goes straight to the bird's nest. She has been watching the eggs for the last few months. Months नहीं आएगा वहां पर, days आएगा. She was waiting for the baby birds to come out, but before she can blink her eyes in a week. Now blink मतलब हम आंख बंद होकर खुलती है, उसको हम ब्लिंकिंग कहते हैं. तो हम ब्लिंक एक वीक में नहीं करते, हम एक मूवमेंट में करते हैं. सो राइट मूवमेंट. A cat jumps onto the tree. The mother bird cries loudly and Sumana rushes to shoo away the cat. As the cat jumps, it hits the big green mango. Dum. In 2 days, dash it is on the ground. Now जब मैंगो नीचे गिरेगी तो it will not take days, it will take some seconds. Oh, how sad. The mango is still not fully ripe. It needed 1 more year to become sweet. Now मैंगो को राइप होने में ईयर थोड़ी लगता है, 1 वीक जितना टाइम लगेगा. सो राइट वीक देयर. Suddenly, Sumana's sister calls out, "Are you still not hungry? Has your stomach clock gone to sleep? Come and eat hot upma for dinner." ना मॉर्निंग में हम डिनर करते हैं, नहीं, हम मॉर्निंग में ब्रेकफास्ट करते हैं, तो वहां ब्रेकफास्ट लिखना है. नेक्स्ट, how long does it take? Here some activities are given which take time in minutes, hours and days. You have to add some more activities to the given list. Now बच्चों यहाँ पर कुछ activities दी है जो हम minutes में कर सकते हैं, कुछ हम hours में कर सकते हैं, कुछ हम days में कर सकते हैं. कुछ examples दिए हैं और कुछ तुमको लिखना है, तो हम एक दो एग्जाम्पल्स अपनी तरफ से लिखते हैं. नाउ टेक मिनट्स. ए बाथ, टू बॉयल मिल्क और कोई एक्टिविटीज, टू सॉल्व ए सम, टू ईट एन एप्पल, टू ब्लो अ बलून. मिनट्स लगते हैं. नाउ टेक आवर्स. नाउ टू स्टिच अ शर्ट, टू सेट कर्ड, ए स्कूल डे. और अदर एग्जाम्पल्स, टू वॉच ए मूवी, to draw a painting. Then takes days. To knit a sweater. Sweater बनाने में भी दिन लगते हैं. To weave a sari. For a banana to become ripe. Ripe मतलब पकने के लिए. Other examples, to make furniture, to paint house. ठीक है. Next, page number 3. Think of some other things, some faster and some slower. Make a long list. Now, इसी तरह से take seconds. जो काम seconds में होता है उसके कुछ examples दिए हैं, वैसे ही तुमको एक दो examples लिखने हैं ना. पहला है to blink my eyes. Blink मतलब आंख बंद कर हम जो होता है उसको हम blinking कहेंगे. To snap my fingers. To gulp my medicine. For fruit to fall from a tree. और examples हम लिख सकते हैं to throw a ball. To squeeze a lemon. It will take seconds. Squeeze a lemon means नींबू निचोते हैं ना उसको. To switch on a light, etc. Now take months. Months किस में लगते हैं? To grow wheat. That is from seed to a big plant. To change from summer to winter. For a baby to come out of its mother's stomach. Or एक example, to write a book. It will take months. Next. Here is a game for you to play. Now you have to enjoy it. ठीक है? Next page. How old are we? Now there is a puzzle. Irfan's mother is twice as old as him. She is also 20 years older than him. Now you have to guess the ages of Irfan and his mother. Now बच्चों यहाँ पर इरफान की मदर की एज कितनी है? इरफान की एज से twice है. Twice means double. और वो 20 years ज्यादा भी है, उससे बड़ी है. Now children, you have to find the age of Irfan. He is telling that his mother is twice as old as him. So if mother's age is 2 times Irfan's age, but she is 20 years older than him. So we can guess Irfan's age as 20 years and his mother's age is 40 years. So we can see कि इरफान की एज 20 है तो उसकी मदर की एज twice हो गई 40 years. And even the difference is 20 years. Next. Now here is the birth certificate of Binsi. Based on this certificate, some fill-ups are given which we have to fill up. First one. Now, birth certificate में देखिए उसका नाम दिया हुआ है, date of birth, address, place of birth, कब registration हुआ है, ये सब कुछ details उसके birth certificate में दिया हुआ है. वो देखकर आपको ये fill up the blanks करना है. First one, 2/5/2002 shows that Binsi was born on 2nd of May in the year 2002. Second, how old will Binsi be on 2nd May 2008? Now, बच्चों 2002 में उसका बर्थ हुआ है, तो 2008 में वो कितने साल की रहेगी? तो आप 2008 में से 2002 माइनस करेंगे तो आपको 6 years आएगा. So Binsi will be 6 years old on 2nd May. So write 6 years. Third one, how old will she be in the year 2052? जैसे सेकेंड में किया 2052 में से 2002 हम माइनस करेंगे तो 50 years आएगा. तो बिंसी 2052 में 50 years की हो जाएगी. Fourth one, on what date will she be 8 years old? Write in numbers. Now 8 years की कब होगी वो? तो आपको 2002 में 8 ऐड करना पड़ेगा तो आपको 2010 आएगा. तो you have to write 2nd May 2010. Now you have to write in numbers. Now यहाँ पर देखिए date of birth उसने words numbers में ऐसे लिखा है, वैसे आपको लिखना है. Next. How many months old was Binsi on 2nd August 2002? ना उसकी बर्थ 2 मई को हुई है, तो वो 2 अगस्त 2002 उसी साल में 2 अगस्त में कितने मंथ्स की होगी? सो फ्रॉम 2 में यू हैव टू काउंट. 2 में से 2 जून, 2 जुलाई, 2 अगस्त. So she will be 3 months old. Next, how many years old is Binsi now? Now registration में आप अभी 2018 है, तो वो कितने साल की हो गई है अभी? How many years old? Sorry, 2019 चल रहा है और वो 2002 में बॉर्न हुई है, तो 2019 में से 2002 हम माइनस करेंगे तो वो अभी 17 years. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, आफ्टर हाउ मेनी मंथ्स ऑफ हर बर्थ was the certificate issued? Now उसका बर्थ हुआ था 2 मई 2002 और सर्टिफिकेट कब इश्यू हुआ है? 8 May 2002. So you have to count it is 3 months or 3 days. Now what is the registration number of her certificate? Now you can see the registration number here. You have to write down 81502. Next. Now here आपके बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट आपके मम्मी पापा से लेकर आपको मम्मी पापा के पास बैठकर आपके डिटेल्स आपको भरने हैं. सो यू हैव टू डू इट. नेक्स्ट, नाउ कैलेंडर ऑफ ईयर 2018 इज गिवन हियर. लेट अस आंसर दीज क्वेश्चंस. हाउ मेनी मंथ्स does a year have? Now 1 year में कितने months रहेंगे? 12 months. List the months which have 30 days. Now 30 days कौन से months में रहेंगे? April. See the calendar and you can find out. कैलेंडर में आप देखकर भी बता सकते हो. April, June, September and November. Now list the months which have 31 days. 31 days कौन से months में है? January, March, May, July, August, October and December. How many days does the month of February have? February month में कितने days है? 28 days. Now बच्चों, अगर लीप ईयर होता है तो उसमें फरवरी में 29 days रहते हैं. How many days make a week? Now see the calendar. कितने days से 1 week बनता है? 7 days. How many weeks are there in July? जुलाई में कितने weeks है? 4 weeks. Now is it true for all the months? सब months के लिए 4 weeks है? Yes. In which month did you come to class third? Third class में आप कौन से month में आ गए हो? April month. Make a circle on these dates in the calendar. 26th January, 14th November, 31st December. ये डेज को आपको सर्कल करना है. Is there something special about these days? Now कुछ स्पेशल है? So 26th January is our Republic Day, 14th November is Children's Day, and 31st December it is New Year Eve or last day of the year. Now fill in the blanks with the correct year. Now first one, which year was it 2 years back? Now अभी कैलेंडर 2018 का दिया है, तो 2 years पहले कौन सा ईयर था? 2018 माइनस 2 करेंगे तो 2016 आएगा. And in which year were you in class 2? So क्लास 2, अभी तो आप क्लास 3rd में हो, तो क्लास 2nd में आप कौन से ईयर में थे? 2017, that is last year. Which year will be the next year? So अभी अगर 2018 है तो next year कौन सा रहेगा? 2019. Which year will come after 3 years? After 3 years कौन सा year आएगा? अभी 2018 लेकर चल रहे हैं तो 2018 के बाद 2019, 2020, 2021. So write 2021. Next, which festival comes first? Now children, names of festivals and the dates are given below. Look at the calendar given and find out the days on which they fall. Now बच्चों festivals दिए हैं और उनकी डेट दी है. आपको 2018 का कैलेंडर जो दिया हुआ है वो देखकर आपको डेट बताना है कि कौन से डे पर वो आता है. Now Diwali, it comes on November 17. See the calendar. November month is here and 7th date is here. Which day is it? It is Wednesday. So write Wednesday. Next comes Pongal. It falls on January 14. See the January month in the calendar. Which day is 14? It is Sunday. So write Sunday. इसी तरह आपको remaining festivals पता करना है. Next, arrange the festivals in the order in which they come in the year. Now, bachcho, you have to write the festivals in the order they come. That is, the festival which comes first, that is January. January 14, Pongal सबसे पहले आएगा. So write. उसके बाद January 31st को गुरु रविदास बर्थडे. Write it against number 2. Then comes February. In February there is no festival given. Then March, no festival. And in April we have Bihu festival on 15th. So write it against 3. Write Bihu. Accordingly write the other festivals. So इसी तरह से month wise देखकर आपको जैसे जैसे festivals आते हैं आपको order में लिखना है. Which festival comes in the beginning of the year? Now year के beginning में कौन सा festival आया? Pongal. Which festival comes at the end of the year? So last कौन सा festival आ रहा है? Christmas. Next, calendar magic. Here is the calendar for the month of February 2019. Let us mark a square on the calendar and see some magic. Now see the calendar for the month of February 2019. He has marked a square, that is 3 days horizontally and 3 days vertical. Now which is the number in the center of the square? 13. 13 middle में है, center में. Now join 3 numbers by drawing a line. The line must pass through the number at the center. Now बच्चों आपको lines draw करनी है और वो lines 13 center से pass होना है. Now how many such lines can you draw? We can draw 4 lines. Now add the 3 numbers on each of these lines. Now add the 3 numbers on the lines, that is 5 plus 13 plus 21. क्या आएगा? 39. 6 plus 13 plus 20, 39. 19 plus 13 plus 7, total आपको 39 आएगा. 12 plus 13 plus 14, 39 आएगा. तो बच्चों देखा ना, the total is same. Now 2 activities are given for you. You have to try. Now more magic. Here in this calendar for the month of March 2019, 5 dates fall on some of the days. For example, 1, 8, 15, 22, 29 fall on Friday. Now this boy has added them in a movement. How? He has multiplied the middle number by 5. That is 15 multiplied by 5 gives 60. So the sum is 60. Now you have to work out for other vertical lines and slanting lines and find out whether this magic works there or not. So try it. Now complete the calendar for August 2018. Now here calendar for 2018 is given. Some of the dates are filled up and remaining you have to fill up. So 1 से start कर आपको ये days ऐसे fill up करना है August का month. And color all the Sundays in red. So color all the Sundays in red. तो Sundays को कौन सी dates आ रही है? 5, 12, 19 and 26. उसको red करना है. Now on which day does this month end? Now ये month end कब हो रहा है? So 31st August कब आएगा? Friday. Write the number of days in this month. Now August में कितने दिन आएंगे? 31 days. What day is it on 13th August? So 13th August कौन सा day आएगा? Monday. What is the date on the second Saturday? Now second Saturday, it is 11. Now is the 21st a Sunday? Now 21st August कहाँ है बच्चों? 21st August is Tuesday और ये कह रहा है Sunday, so no. What is the day on the 29th? Now 29th कौन सा day? Wednesday. What will be the date on the same day next week? Now 29 Wednesday है तो next week कौन सा day आएगा? 7 days उसके बाद कौन सा आएगा? 5th September. How many Thursdays are there in this month? इस month में कितने Thursdays हैं? 5 Thursdays. Next, the true story of पेड़की देवी. Now यहाँ पर पेड़की देवी के बारे में उनकी लाइफ के बारे में बताया गया है. So कौन से ईयर में क्या हुआ ये सब इसके अंदर डिटेल्स आपको मिल जाएंगे और वो देखकर आपको आंसर करना है. So children read the story of Pedki Devi and you have to answer this. Now some things that happened in her life are given below. Now mark these on her timeline. For example, when she was 5 years old, Pedki broke her foot. A is marked at 5 on the timeline. Now bachcho, this is a timeline. Here years are written. 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, you have to write 20 years. And some events that have taken place. वो A, B, C, D, E, F, G आपको थोड़े इवेंट्स दिए हुए हैं. कौन से ईयर में हुए हैं वो आपको यहाँ पर मार्क करना है. तो पहले हम ईयर्स लिख लेते हैं कौन से ईयर में कौन सा इवेंट हुआ है. सो फर्स्ट वन, broke her foot, 5 years. Lost one goat, कौन से ईयर में? 10 years, when she was 10 years old. She got married at 15 years of age. Had her 4th child, that is 24 years. First saw a police station, 40 years. Learned to read and write, 45 years. Eldest daughter got married, 47 years. यहाँ हमने आंसर्स लिखे हैं. Now you have to mark these years on this timeline. Now 5 years you can mark, put A here. Second B, lost one goat, that is 10 years. So 10 के पास आपको B लिखना है. Now got married, 15 years. 15 is not written there, but 15 comes between 10 and 20. So mark 15 and put C there. In the same way, you have to mark all these years. Next, mark on the timeline when she was born. Now, 0 के पास वो born हुई है. In the blank box, draw a picture of Pedki as a newborn baby. So you can draw a picture of a baby there. Make your own timeline. Ask people around you and mark at least one thing that happened in each year of your life. Now here timeline is given. आप अपने life के events उधर mark कर सकते हो. Next, one day in the life of Kusum. Now let's see what Kusum does every day. Write down the time for each picture. For some pictures, the time is already written and you must draw the hands of the clock. In others, you have to write the time shown by the clock. Now, यहाँ पर कुसुम के बारे में कुछ activities दी है. So, in some, they have given you the time, you have to draw the hands. And some activities, they have not given the hands, you have to draw the hands. First one, Kusum gets up early in the morning. So here the clock shows 6 o'clock. So you have to write here 6 o'clock in the morning. Now she brings water from the well. Now in verse it is written at 6:30 in the morning. So you have to show the time 6:30. She cleans her house. At what time? 7:30. So write here at 7:30 in the morning. She goes to school. Now time is at 8 o'clock. So draw the hands and show 8 o'clock in the given clock. Now she is studying in school. Now the time is 10 o'clock. She comes back from school. So the time written is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Now you have to show 1 o'clock in the given clock. She takes lunch with her brother and grandmother. Now what is the time shown? It is 2 o'clock. So you can write at 2 o'clock. Then she plays with her friends. Now 5:30 in the evening. So you have to show the time 5:30. She listens to a story from her grandmother before she sleeps at 9 o'clock at night. So you have to show the time 9 o'clock. Next. Now prepare a chart showing your own daily routine. Now, like Kusum, you have to show the time and you have to write the activities what you do according to your daily routine. And you have to write in words also. So, this will be your homework. You can finish it.